was a princess, queen of the highway. The sign on the road said, "Take me to Madre." No one could save her, save the blind tiger. He was a monster, black dressed in leather. She was a princess, queen of the highway. Now they are wedded and she is a good girl. Naked as children out in the meadow. Naked as children, wild as could be. Soon to have offspring and start it all over. Start it all over. American boy, American girl, most beautiful people in the world. Son of a frontier Indian swirl, dancing in the midnight whirlpool, formless. Hope it can continue just a little while longer.